How to block specific apps from opening in Samsung Internet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. So you will see Security and Privacy is here. So click on Security and Privacy. Now here, so scroll down and click on Internet Privacy Protection. So after click on Internet Privacy Protection, scroll down and you will see click on Block Apps from Opening Internet. So you will see all apps is showing here. So if you want to block apps, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see apps is block. So after block app, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can block specific apps from opening in Samsung Internet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.